to get it all the way down. I was trying to let the turtle to be up here, but the turtle didn't want to go on.
You're trying to catch a turtle?
I'm trying to catch the turtle.
I don't think it works like fishing.
This is helping me. It's helping me fish the turtle. This thing is helping me fish the turtle. Come on.
I see a mosquito on your back. Got it?
I was trying to catch one, but I can't.